if you're trying impasto techniques with a painting knife and having a lot of trouble, it may be due to the type of painting knife you're using, not your technique. So let's have a look at some quick painting knife tips to find out what a good painting knife should look like. Working with a painting knife can be very difficult if you don't use the correct type of painting knife. A cheap painting knife could look like this. It might look okay in the packaging, but let's have a close look. You can see how thick this knife is. It has practically no flex at all. It's stiff, very, very difficult to work. When you hold it like this, you have to push really hard to get it flat, and that of course makes putting down a stroke with the painting knife really hard. I've got to press hard, which is a bad thing because I'm mixing into wet paint, and to try and get it to do that. Mixing paint on your palette as well, only the tip is in the paint, it won't bend down into the paint to mix. What we want is something that mimics a brush. Flexible brush hairs. You can press down and the brush hairs bend. A good painting knife is thin like this, thin metal blade, very flexible and bends very easily into that paint. Easy to, you can see, just like a brush. Must be flexible, must be able to get into that paint, move about easily. Also this one, very flexible, thin blade, rounded tip, perfect shape, mixing, very simple to use, nice to work with. You can get the same sort of effects, movements, flexibility as you get with a brush. You don't want a painting knife that is too small, so a painting knife head that is very short is also stiff like this and hard to work. See the difference? Also one that is very big may be good for big surfaces, but a regular size painting, it will be also too big, difficult to move about. Two ideal sizes and shapes and flexibility. This one, not good for painting. Well, as you can see, the right painting knife makes a huge difference. If you want to get into your impasto painting a lot more thoroughly, please be sure to check out the link below to my new impasto painting course called Impasto Mastery. You'll find brush and painting knife techniques there, and there's also a great offer for you in that link, so check that out. Alright, until next time, enjoy your impasto painting and cheers for now.